Hi guys, good day. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tife here again. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you're not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing debt recovery in Nigeria. Debt is a sum of money owed by a debtor to a creditor. So if someone is owing you money, you are the creditor, and the person owing you is the debtor. Now, stay tuned to the end to find out the role of the police in debt recovery here in Nigeria because so many people use law enforcement agents to recover their debts. Let us wait to the end to ascertain the legality or otherwise of that practice. So the first thing to do is to send a demand letter through your lawyer. Okay, it is always advised, it is seen as a kind of pre-action notice for you to send a letter to your debtor, just notify them of the fact that they are owing you, just in case they forgot that they are owing you, let them know they are owing you, and that it can also serve as a form of pre-action notice if they fail to pay you your money. Now, after you've written them a demand letter through your lawyer, you can then proceed to institute an action against them in court for recovery of your debts. Once you institute an action, whether they are represented or not, you get a judgment and then you can now enforce the judgment. There are different ways to enforce the judgment here in Nigeria, and if you want me to make a video on that, I'll definitely make a video on enforcement of judgment here in Nigeria, different modes of enforcement of judgment. Once you've gotten your judgment, you can now enforce it through any of the ways provided by the court to then recover your money. Note that there is a statute of limitation on debt recovery here in Nigeria. So, according to the statute of limitation, section 21, subsection 1A states that any debt arising from a simple contract should be recovered within 6 years from the date of contract and execution. So, you have to recover your debt within 6 years, or else you forfeit your money. So that is it. Now let us go to the role of the police or law enforcement agencies in debt recovery. It is very wrong for you to involve a police to arrest a debtor. You can only involve law enforcement agents if there has been any element of fraud in the contract between you and your debtor. So let's say the person duped you or something, then you can involve the police. But debt recovery is purely a civil matter which should ordinarily not involve law enforcement agents. It saddens me when I see people involving police in debt matters, like just take the person to court, write a letter of demand, and if they refuse to pay, then take them to court where you can now agree on whatever mode of settlement or you can get a judgment thereafter. And note that if you involve a police in debt recovery, your debtor can sue you for breach of their fundamental rights. So you have to be very careful so that you don't end up being the defendant in a criminal matter against you at the high court. So if there's any questions on recovery of debts, just let me know down below in the comment section and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. If there are other topic ideas you want me to film, let me know down below in the comment section and I'm willing and available to film them all. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.